guys and beloveds. Ooh, child. It's been a long night. I went to bed really late because I was up packaging orders and trying to get stuff together. And this morning I got to get up because we got to do some shipments and we got to run some errands. I want to take y'all to the herb store that I usually go to that's here in Philly. That's one of my herbal providers because we have more orders coming in that do not have the herbs that I need. So I need to run there while I wait for my shipment to come from my distributor that's in California. So when I get done wrapping this, we are going to head to the shop so that we can package orders. And my cat is in heat, so I hope she doesn't interrupt all of what we're doing. But yeah, we gotta go get this thing together. All right, y'all, let's go. Hey, Ma. Peace, y'all. So I accidentally forgot. Your girl was too busy tearing up the breakfast, okay? So I forgot to take pictures and show y'all what we had to eat. But we went to this really great place. If you in Philly, you gotta go try out this place. Rookie, what was the name of that place again? I'm gonna put it down in the description box below so y'all can go check it out. Oh my God, their food is so good. They're a black-owned business. This brother just opened up his business, so y'all know your girl had to go support. But the food was really good, and I was too busy, like I said, eating to remember to take a video of it. So now I'm getting ready to go meet up with my investor, and then head to the post office. So I'll take you along on that ride. Hey y'all, I'm about to go back in the house. Okay, so I have went to the investor, met with them, finished all the contract work. That was a success. Yay! I also went to the post office. Ooh, wait. Let me just say, like for all my community, I am eternally grateful for every order that I get, regardless of how big or how small, because you are an intricate part of what keeps this business running. So now I am at the herb store. I'm going to run in here. I'm going to get the herbs that we needed. Last night I did make a checklist of all the herbs, so this should be real quick because it's now hitting rush hour here in Philly. And baby, if you in Philly, then you already know this is a mess. But I'm all the way down opposite end of the city, and I gotta run all the way back to get mom because she's at work. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna run and get all of the products that I need for the shipments that are coming up and for the wholesale orders that we have that will be starting in 2024. Yay! And then I will like show you guys around the herb store and like some of my favorite products. All right. Hello. How are you? I saw online. Two. I need 3 oat straw. And yay! One more. We need 2 red raspberry. So it looks like they're out of a couple of the herbs that I need. So I'm probably going to have to go online and order the rest of them from my other distributor, which means it's going to take a while for them to get to us. But we'll do. Okay, so I was able to get everything I needed for the most part. So I just realized that I ran out of shipping boxes. Staples is having an amazing sale right now for businesses. When you buy 5 or more particular shipping boxes, then you'll get all of them 50% off. So we're going to pick up shipping boxes that we need to be able to process the orders for all of our ambassadors and business owners who are joining the company. So take 2 of these and 4 of these, 2 and another 2. Child, I can't get this and record at the same time. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 more. And then for our 28-day healing system, these are the boxes that we're using to ship. So we can get these really cute. They're usually $330, so they'll probably be like $175 or something like that. So I am going to get 5 of these. That's actually all of them. And then I'm going to get another 5 of this size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost wiping them out. All right. And then I like to have like some different size boxes on hand that are plain, just in case the white ones that we get don't fit. So I'm going to get 5 of these small mini ones. And then I also need this size. So I'm going to get 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's everything.